This is my new phone. Do you like it? We're going to a party tonight. Would you like to join us? The students are in class. The teacher is talking to them. I have a question. Can you answer it? I can't find my shoes. Have you seen them? She made a delicious cake. Everyone enjoyed it. My parents are visiting tomorrow. I can't wait to see them. I have a lot of books. Do you want to borrow them? The dog is outside. Can you bring it inside? That's my sister. Have you talked to her yet?